Today is February 10, 2025. This is my meat stall. At ito ang isa sa kapitbahay. Ayan si Sexy. And this is my pet, B2. And this is one of my customer, June. This is one of my neighbor, Nick Nock. He is watching Mature Garden.
Mag-vlog ka na rin ba gagawin?
And this one is the newly made longanisa, pork sausage, only in Siniloan, Laguna, a garlic flavor. Okay.